Broadcast. Back. Zoom. I want to welcome everyone to Global Markets Radio Daily Recap. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton, Thursday, July 26, 2012, 4 p.m. Eastern. What a day. What a day. Wow. El Draghi, the head of the ECB, Mario, whatever his freaking name is, Monty, basically talking up the talk, saying that the ECB still has more that it could do, and basically setting the way for a regulator, one banking regulator, and just talking up the euro unbelievably. And the euro, given the amount of people that are short, exploded. Do I think it's a rally in a bear market in the euro dollar? Absolutely. Do I think we're going to take out this 1380 in the S&P? No freaking way. But what the hell do I know? But I think that when you look at what's out there, when you look at everything that's going on, I just don't see it. There still is no guarantee of bank deposits. There is still no political union. It was all talk. But again, sometimes we get into an oversold situation like the euro dollar was, and we'll take a look at that. The numbers just don't make a difference. We said it was a possibility. We certainly said the euro looked pretty good across the board. And we take a look. There are some euro dollars that look great. Euro Aussie looks like it's trying to break this whole downtrend channel. Euro Canada. Could this have another day left in it? Why not? Certainly a nice breakout. Outside candle. Futures were down almost all night. Just drifting. And then Dhaghi. 25 handles in the S&P 500. Oof, I got killed. Oof. Hey. And looking at this whole Euro-Aussie situation, I mean, look at this thing on an hourly basis. Take a look at that chart because it looks a lot better. Oh, come on. There we go. Just looks like it broke this whole downtrend channel. And this euro sterling, obviously having a nice pop on the news. Really going nowhere. Cable, big time comeback. Why? I have no idea. Look at that move. Nuts. Do I think this is sustainable? No freaking way. You want to be, tight stops? There you go. We take out 57.50. We are gone like the wind. To the moon, Alice. But I just think that this whole day was just a squeeze. U.S. durable good orders sucked win. And, you did have the unemployment claims a little bit better. But, again, they're saying it's seasonal. Look at this, Amazon. They're saying it's seasonal. Wow. Revenues. Miss. And ex-transportation, durable goods sucked win. Pending home sales down 1.4%. So don't tell me the numbers were good. Just a wild day. A crazy freaking day. That's all I have to say. Nuts. Do I think this lasts? No freaking way. But could the short squeeze continue? Oh, yeah. Everyone and their mother's short. We go to 124. And again, exactly, the earnings that we see, everyone's missing on revenues. They're making on the earnings, but they're missing on the revenues. I mean, it's a freaking joke. Dhaghi. Give me a freaking break. I still don't believe today was monumental. All talk, all bullcrap. But could the euro go up more? Sure. Listen, we really shouldn't take out these highs. We take that out, we're going right to 124. But 123 is certainly a big spot. 124, I think you got to back the truck up. You know, walk in one day, this euro is going to be down 400 pips. Just a complete wipeout, in my humble opinion. But for now, it certainly does look like the markets want to maybe make another run higher. I guess. Up Facebook. Facebook earnings. Good. Look at Facebook go. Up on the day. Oh, no. It's all over the place. But in looking at this dollar yen, could we reversed? Sure. But I just thought the U.S. numbers were so horrific that it just seems to me like this baby wants to break lower. And should we take out 77.50? Good night. We got numbers coming out of the U.S., GDP coming out. I don't see how that's going to be any good. Michigan sentiment also. And we also get Spanish unemployment. You think that's going to be a good number? I don't think so. But this cable, unbelievable move today. Dollar Swiss, very nice move to the downside. We could be talking channel lines here. You know, we could get more continuation. Certainly anything's possible. I do think this level here should hold. That's about 96.90. Did Starbucks miss? Dollar Canada, terrible day. Once again, this downtrend channel, we were nervous about that. And I'll tell you, do I understand this? Not at all. But we might be going back to par, 99.50. Still don't buy it. Aussie. Big levels. I mean, listen, they take out this S&P. I mean, that would be, you know, we take out the highs here. We could be talking 107. I hope not. But these S&Ps make a run for 1380. To the moon, Alice. Fly me to the freaking moon. Kiwi acts awesome. But again, I still do not believe in this bull market. I think this was a bear market bounce. This S&P 500 again, with GDP coming out, you know, could we explode up to here? Why not? I guess anything's possible. I'll tell you, we had some very interesting numbers that came out. Ooh, S&P is coming in after the close. Amazon, Starbucks, unbelievable. It's a joke. Joke, I tell you. Facebook coming back down. But again, in looking at this, in looking at the market, I just don't buy it. And when we do our Fibonacci, did we take it out? Yes. Barely. But this key is going to be this 1365. Then we go right to 1380. To the moon. So we'll see. We'll see if the market can actually bust through this 1365. If so, it looks like 1380. Here we come. But I could just see today as a one-off. Nothing concrete. Sicily got downgraded. It's a joke. I'll tell you that Swiss franc, Aussie Swiss. I like some of these trades. Gold. I do not believe gold is going to continue this move. China, apparently, Wall Street Journal articles saying they're not going to do anything more. But we're certainly breaking out. Could I see a spike up to that channel line we showed you yesterday? Of course. But I think gold still needs to retest recent lows. And I think this wedge breakout is break it out to break it down. Absolutely. Follow me on Facebook, Voice of Forex. Follow me on YouTube, Voice of Forex. Oh, baby. Did the Kiwi, did the Aussie. Well, it's supposed to have torrential tornadoes, hail, tremendous thunderstorms sweeping the Northeast. Should be one hell of a night. Probably going to lose power. Ooh, that reminds me. Maybe it's a good thing. Turn the machines off. Get flat. Oh, mama. But, again, I think the Spanish unemployment number is going to be bad. Euro was due for a bounce like this. And, again, I could see 124. Easy. Just do this channel line right here. We're talking about 125. Given where we've come in the euro, certainly not out of the realm of possibility. But, again, I still think it was a one-off. I think the numbers are going to be terrible tomorrow. I think you got to hang in there. Crude, again, selling off a little bit late in the session, but, again, to me, geopolitical risks continue to mount all over the world. You're going to walk in one day and Syria did something with those chemical weapons. I know it. Maybe that's in 2015, though. What else? All right, that's it. Listen, have a great weekend, everyone. Dahlia, and I have no idea GDP is going to be weak. You would think this thing's going to crack. Given the fact that the stock market was up so much, certainly a disappointment. Facebook now going negative. Oh, boy. That could be not good for the futures. All right, everyone, again, have a great weekend. Rest up. Tomorrow, right back down, baby. Andrew Spanton, Global Markets Radio, the only voice you'll ever need who truly loves to make you money. Have a good weekend. Have a good day trading. Look for some bad news and then sell. Bye-bye.